I did not like the fact at all that I had to pee and I have to pay for about 10 rupees just to pee. Imagine.
हो
आयत क्या हुआ?
तुम अपने वीडियो बनाने में हो।
तुम यहाँ से आगे क्यों नहीं जा रही?
Shut up.
This was the first waterfall of the place. बहुत भीड़ है, बहुत रश है. Good morning everybody, this is me Sahil and I'm right now on the terrace. It's very early morning and I've been here since 5 am. I saw the sun rising right from the beginning till the end. Well, the sun hasn't risen up totally, but coming to the point, today I have something very special to tell and I'm going to take you on a very beautiful journey to so many beautiful places and sites and locations of Dehradun along with one of my friends who has come all the way from Banaras to Dehradun. So I'm all ready and let's go. There you go guys, I'm all ready and set to go. Firstly, I'll have to go to FRI and then from there I'll meet my friend and then decide where do we have to go next. Here goes the FRI gate guys. Check this out.
You said never let me go. 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 Hello guys.
मेरे बोलने से कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करता. Ask my viewers to subscribe to this channel.
Please subscribe Sahil's channel.
By the way, before भाई पूछ रहे थे कि यहाँ पे और कुछ घूम like seriously guys, Dehradun people love FRI because of this peacefulness, because of this spacious place. But इनके भाई को चाहिए था कि यहाँ पे ताजमहल दिखना चाहिए. He was not ready to be convinced कि हाँ ये place अच्छा है. But anyway. So now we are almost done with this FRI monument just within 1 hour. It has never happened to me that I've ever come to this place and I've only stayed for an hour. Just because these her brother did not like this place much. Probably his expectation was way more higher and maybe this monument did not serve that expectation. Coming to the point, now in the back is the auto. This family has booked this auto for the whole day and this auto is going to take us to 3 places. That is FRI, Gachupani and Shahdara. So next, I do not know where this auto is going to take us next, but I'll keep you updated. Finally made it to Gachupani and here, since I've forgotten my sleepers to bring, I have to get my juta changed, which is here. हमें अपने जूतों को change करना होता है and then per sleeper over here costs 10 rupees. Well, actually they rent their sleepers, they don't give you the sleepers for 10 rupees. They can actually give you on rent. So we are probably going to get a couple of... From wherever you take these sleepers, they also collect your shoes and keep it safe until you come and return their sleepers and get it exchanged with your real shoes. Having so many varieties to choose from, pretty confused which sleeper should I take. Let's see how my feet looks in the slipper. Wow, this looks good. Okay, I'm selecting this one. तो इन्होंने अपने पसंद से सबसे सुंदर वाली चप्पल ली और इनके
ड्रेस से मैचिंग करते हुए
देखा ड्रेस से मैच कर रहे हैं इनके स्लीपर्स और मैंने वो चप्पल लिया है खुद के लिए विच एक्चुअली फिट्स माई लेग
नहीं तो
एंड
ये
फीट
फिट
प्रॉपर
ऐसा नहीं कि मैच किया तो
चलो तुम कहते हो तो मान लेते हैं
मानना पड़ेगा
So this is the end point where basically this Gucci Pani, you might say it either begins or ends. Here we have to get into the water. हाँ एक किलोमीटर अंदर तक होगा आराम से. The water must be so cold. Let's go and test it in the water itself. And की स्लिप्स को ऊपर उठा ले, गिरने से उसे गीला होने से बचाएं. ये है गुच्चू पानी लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन बेसिकली रोवर्स केव और आपको ये देखकर पता चलता होगा कि इसे रोवर्स केव क्यों कहते हैं क्योंकि ये काफ़ी गुफा की तरह है और इसकी हिस्ट्री मुझसे अच्छा मेरी फ्रेंड बता सकती है. इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या थी यार?
यहाँ पे अंग्रेजों के टाइम में डाकू अपना सोना वगैरह रखते थे और शायद रहते भी थे.
अंग्रेजों के टाइम पे सोना छुपाया जाता था which
उनसे
means
लूट के यहाँ पे डाकू रखते थे क्योंकि
there is a good probability that we might find some piece of gold here. The first waterfall of the place. बहुत भीड़ है, बहुत रश है. यहाँ नहाने के लिए भी हिम्मत चाहिए. पानी बहुत ठंडा है, so I'm not gonna take a shower. भीड़ देखो इन लोगों की, लगता है ये घर से नहा कर ही नहीं आया. I can't even take a clear picture of it. Damn. To go further, we basically have to climb this up. This slippery path, this a little mountain and rocks. It can be quite risky to climb it up, but if you want to experience the further beauty, then you have to take this risk. आयत क्या हुआ?
तुम अपने वीडियो बनाने में हो.
तुम यहाँ से आगे क्यों नहीं जा रही? बेसिकली गाइज यहाँ से काफ़ी रास्ता ट्रिकी एंड रिस्की है जैसा कि मैंने बताया. यहाँ से नीचे चढ़ना तो आसान था. लेट मी शो यू अ ओवर लाइक वाइड व्यू ऑफ इट. यहाँ से नीचे चढ़ना तो आसान था बट फ्रॉम हियर देन यू अगेन हैव टू क्लाइंब अप टू दिस in order to reach the other side of this block from where you will get almost the very same view as you did before. तो कुछ different नहीं है. So basically Ayat was told by his brother to not go further otherwise she might slip. तो उसे यहाँ रहना पड़ा and for her company I also denied to go ahead. मैंने आगे देख रखा है so there's nothing much to explore but check out the beauty. I did not like the fact at all that I had to pee and I have to pay for about 10 rupees just to pee. Imagine, I mean at such a beautiful location they should set such washrooms for free so that people can utilize it. Such kind of washroom should be free, come on.